Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. The Parliamentary Opposition is calling on the government to modernize municipal corporations through the use of digital technology. Opposition spokesperson on local government, Natalie Neita Garvey, called for full rollout of what she describes as a smart Municipal Jamaica Initiative. She was speaking in the recent sectoral debates. Andrea Chisholm has details.
For decades, there has been talk about reforming local government to give municipal corporations more power and resources to better serve citizens in various communities. Still, the process has been slow. Municipal corporations are still paper-based, leading to inefficiency and poor customer service. For this reason, the opposition spokesperson on local government wants the government to adapt the Smart Municipal Jamaica Initiative and digitize services.
It means citizens should be able to apply for permits, licenses, and municipal approvals online.
Yes. 2026 after all.
They should be able to track applications in real time, receive predictable timelines,
Yes.
escalate unresolved delays, pay fees digitally, access service requests through unified platforms, receive updates automatically.
Natalie Neita Garvey adds that a unified digital platform will connect all corporations across Jamaica and streamline services. The financial autonomy of municipal corporations was again placed in the spotlight. She believes local authorities should directly earn money from measurable outcomes in areas such as tourism, commercial expansion, real estate development, and major transportation infrastructure.
Municipal empowerment does not mean financial recklessness. No one is advocating for uncontrolled borrowing or municipal debt crisis.
Not at all.
But responsible nations allow competent municipalities structured pathways to finance transformational infrastructure.
Yes.
Their markets, the transportation hubs, the waste management facilities, the green public spaces, the public parking systems, properly governed municipal financing frameworks, infrastructure partnerships, and other development financing mechanisms deserve serious examination. Otherwise, what is the purpose of this reform?
Mrs. Neita Garvey also took issue with the structure of parish disaster committees. That group includes stakeholders from civil society, local businesses, and state agencies who coordinates and monitors development processes.
Parish development committees need to be restructured and given new mandates. Unfortunately, this is not an area which this present administration takes seriously. The minister hardly ever gives any support. None at all, very little, to parish economic development committees, both in policy and in practice. Their new mandate should include driving investment, coordinating business facilitation, supporting entrepreneurship, promoting local cultural industries, marketing parish competitiveness, and helping to fast-track parish projects.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.